GoTo Resolve's key benefits for remote workforces offers a great solution for businesses managing remote teams. But is it the best choice for you? Stick with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to break down what makes this tool stand out for remote workforces, and I'll also be sharing some alternatives that might even suit your needs better. First off, GoTo Resolve makes it easy for remote teams to provide fast IT support across multiple locations. Whether you're dealing with a security issue, a software problem, or just need a quick fix, this platform allows technicians to troubleshoot issues remotely. You can connect to any device instantly without requiring users to move around or bring their device to a help desk. The integration with other GoTo tools can also streamline IT support processes, making it an efficient solution, especially for teams that need to operate at scale. Next thing, GoTo Resolve's intuitive interface is another big plus. It's designed to be user-friendly, which means even employees who aren't tech-savvy can easily interact with support teams. The platform's ease of use reduces the learning curve for both end users and support technicians. However, when it comes to customization, some users may find the options a bit limited compared to other platforms. The third thing that stands out is GoTo Resolve's multi-channel support. You can resolve issues through chat, phone calls, email, and remote access. This means your remote teams aren't tied to one specific communication method, making it easier to manage support requests no matter how they come in. However, some users report that the response time can be a bit slow during peak hours, and others have mentioned that multi-channel integration could be more seamless. Now, let's talk about the security features. GoTo Resolve provides end-to-end encryption, which is crucial for protecting sensitive data while working remotely. This added layer of security is a huge benefit for teams handling private information. But while the encryption is strong, some competitors provide more robust security features that include additional multi-factor authentication and more granular permission settings, which can make a big difference for larger organizations. The fifth thing worth mentioning is the pricing model. GoTo Resolve is relatively affordable compared to some competitors, which is great for small businesses or teams on a budget. However, as teams grow and require more advanced features, the costs can start to climb quickly. And when you compare it with other tools that offer a more scalable pricing model, GoTo Resolve's pricing can sometimes seem less flexible. Lastly, GoTo Resolve is reliable for smaller to mid-sized businesses, but larger enterprises might find it lacking in certain integrations with other software and platforms. If you're looking for something that integrates with a wide variety of business tools seamlessly, you might want to look at some alternatives that offer more robust support for complex workflows. Now, here's the exciting part. I've got an exclusive deal for you. Through the link in the description, you can access an extended free trial of GoTo Resolve. But that's not all. I've also found some excellent alternatives that offer free trials as well and might be a better fit for teams with more complex needs or different goals. These alternatives are tailored for remote teams who want advanced features, better integration with other tools, and maybe even a more scalable pricing structure. Click the link in the description to access the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only for our viewers. Don't miss out on the opportunity to try GoTo Resolve and its alternatives and see which one truly fits your remote workforce needs.